Hello and welcome back to our next edible plague. If you haven't seen the first one, then be sure to go back and take a look at that one. That is the rivers of blood, or waters turned to blood, whatever you want to call it. And yes, I know it sounds a little bit morbid, but it's a great way to teach the children what happened in those days and how our Father really saved the Israelites by sending some incredible, miraculous type of things against the Egyptians so that they would let them go, so that they were not slaves anymore. So it's a lot of fun. It helps stick in their heads. It's wonderful to do as a family so that you're spending more time together, and they just love it. So the plague that we are doing this time now is the second plague, which is frogs. This one was pretty simple, although it was really difficult to find things for the legs to make it look like frogs. Whatever, we had a good time, and we wanted it to be like dessert. So all we did was we got some green apples and cut them in half and put them down on a plate. And the kids used the legs. The back legs were Twix. And I looked it up to make sure that they're kosher in case you guys decide to do this during the Feast of Unleavened Bread like we did last year. We had to make sure all of the plagues were kosher for Passover, which means that there is no leaven in anything. So we checked all of the ingredients before we did any of these to make sure it didn't have any leaven in it. So Twix is perfectly okay. It does not have any leaven in it. So they used that for the back legs, and they also used Tootsie Rolls for the front legs. Judah got a little bit more creative with it, and he did not use he used Tootsie Rolls, but he did not use the Twix for the back legs. What you doing? It's so funny.
I'm trying to break legs with the Twix. It looks weird. Whatever. I'm gonna break the front legs. Oh, there we go. His legs are breaking. Okay.
And why is this blurry? Come on. All right, that's edible plague number 2. And of course, the kids loved eating it. And so as you can see, we had a lot of fun with this one again. And well, we had fun with all of them. What am I talking about? You guys go ahead and give it a try yourselves. If you have any bright ideas on what can be done for this plague with different ingredients, let us know in the comments below. I would love to hear all of your suggestions. Be blessed, y'all. Thanks for watching.